everyone, I am taking you shopping today, and that too from the very comfort of your homes.
As we all know, the current scenario when stepping out is a risk, and online shopping doesn't give you much of a feel. I was so glad to find out that a sustainable homegrown fashion brand named Aradhara has come up with assisted video call shopping experience. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Just a WhatsApp call and you land up in store. So, come join me. Let's shop.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. So, I am Pashmina and I am super excited because I got to know that you guys are giving us assisted video shopping experience. So, we've been stranded here and locked up inside and craving for a good shopping time. So, that's why I called you up and let's get started. So, tell me, how do we go about it?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a few garments. We'll run through a few garments. Anything you like or you think you like, you ask me to keep it aside, so that at the end I can show you the ones that you've shortlisted, and then you can pick the ones you like, and we'll courier it across to you.
Yeah,
In the meanwhile, if you need any help with it, you let me know.
Sure. I'm looking for some kurta sets and maybe a kaftan or a loungewear. So I would like you to show me some of those.
Great.
Okay,
So,
let's get
should we
started.
start? You can hear me clearly.
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
So let me start with this. This is a kaftan that I've kept over here. It's green in color, like a pastel color, and then we have a little bit of a peach in this.
Yeah.
This is how it looks a little closer. So that's the print.
It's a very beautiful print.
These
What's
are
the
just a
fabric?
few. So these are in mull.
Oh,
We've
okay.
made it in mull, and all the colors that you're seeing are naturally dyed.
Oh, lovely.
So this is one of the options. I'll show you some more options in kaftan. So the one that you saw right now, and that we have something like this also. It's the same style, just a different color.
Beautiful
This one is
combination.
blue.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Kaftans and mull, I think they are the fabulous combinations or for a perfect
You can stay in your house the entire day and live in it.
Oh my god, now this is a show stealer. Oh my god, I've got my eyes on this now.
Thank you
This is so
much.
pretty.
Thank you. That's how it is.
I think I would like to keep it aside. This is gorgeous. I love how you've structured it.
Thank you. So let me just keep that aside for you.
Yes, I loved it.
So there was one more option, but I guess you like it, and this is black, so it's very
Oh, this is
similar.
also very
They were
beautiful.
blacks.
Yeah, very beautiful. Lovely.
Thank you.
Let's.
So I think I've shown you the kaftans, and I've put one aside for you.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Actually, I've just made like this loungewear. You can see it, which we've just designed it today.
Oh.
It's a new pattern. It's very simple, but very cozy.
Very comfy and anti-fit sort of a thing, है ना? Could you please tell me the pricing as well, an approximation?
Yeah, sure. So this one would cost you 999,
Okay.
and the kaftan that you saw, all the kaftans are in the range of like 1200 and 1300 odd.
Oh, amazing.
But they are 12 to 1300.
Amazing, because kaftans are the trend right now. I feel like, whether it's you can count it in loungewear or you style it completely outside homes, it's going to be the statement this year. It may be something to do with the lockdown leisure life, but kaftans are the thing right now. So I loved it, and I loved.
Kaftan essential.
Yes, I think I love the price range as well. So it's I think it's a must buy. Okay, so what else we have?
Kurtas. Should I show you some kurtas now, maybe? So I'll show you. I've teamed up some with dupatta as well. But we can
Oh.
obviously like go without the dupatta. What you're seeing is a very beautiful,
Very elegant.
honey fabric, plain white, and these are the little borders that we've used.
Love the
Let me show you a
detailing.
little closer. So we work with the artisans directly.
Oh.
What you're seeing is a nice hand-woven khadi.
Hand
And these
woven.
little tiny things are like the booties, which are like hand done, and then that's the sleeve. So little element. Very elegant.
I'm loving all the elements you've put in together, and the fact that you work directly with artisans is something, each one of us should consciously look for now that we know how
That's what
things.
Yeah.
Our own homegrown
You're
brand.
seeing every fabric is hand woven by the artisans
Lovely.
themselves, and each one has a unique speciality about the kind of booties that they do. So they actually represent from where they come, from the kind of booties that you will see on them.
But this is gorgeous work.
Thank you so much. So this is on another. This one is in Jamkhani as well.
Oh my god, I loved
Very
it.
similar to the first one.
Such a gorgeous, classy piece. Lovely.
That's what we've done. We've gone plain at the back, blue, and then the front is grey. And we've done a very tiny little cording up here in mustard. So it's not very contrasting, and this can be worn as a dress as well.
Yes, exactly. That's what is running in my mind, that I can style it in very many ways. So I think this is going to be really handy for me.
And we've done some essential pockets.
Oh, pockets and women go hand in hand. Yes. I think I love this piece. Love this piece. Please keep this also aside for me.
Yeah, I'll keep that aside for you. I'll just show you more in Jamkhani. So there's one more for you.
Wow.
Again, this is white, just keeping festivities in mind. You know, we've kept it very subtle and elegant.
Very
So
classy.
you can team it up with like a lot of accessories. And what you're seeing on the top is actually like a little coat part.
And it's a A-shape thing.
Yes, it is, yeah.
Very nice.
All our cuts are comfort fit.
Lovely.
You don't have to worry about it being tight on
Tight
the
on.
stomach or a hip, which is very easy fitting garments. They're all relaxed fits.
Very pretty. Very pretty.
So this one we've done in Malkha, and as I was telling you that Malkha is a khadi itself, which has one malyan and one khadi, so it's very soft and it has a good fall too. And the print that you're seeing is kalamkari. So this is our take on kalamkari. It just made it more subtle
So
and
gorgeous it is. I mean, I love the color palettes that you've chosen. So subtle and like love the pastels and such beautiful colors. I love it.
cleaner.
So pretty.
Thank you. So there's another one over here. Then these ones look very smart with like coordinated pants.
Pants,
the same
yes,
kurtas
yes,
and
yes.
same pants at the bottom.
Very stunning.
Very simple again. The cut is very simple. This we've gone really vintage, even with the colors that we have.
Oh, this is so pretty.
It's very nice. The sleeve we've tried and do something like this. So like this little cord piping.
Very
with
pretty.
some buttons.
Very vintage. Very vintage. I really liked it.
It is. You know, in fact, we've teamed up a nice band with it, like something like that. So we've
Oh,
kept
this
it
is
really
so
vintage,
cool. I just loved it. It's so amazing and can be,
like,
you know,
print sets.
yeah. It's versatile. I can style them separately also, I feel.
Yes, you can, yeah.
Very pretty.
So I wanted to make like a set kind of a thing. So
I
we
think
got
I've set my heart on this one now. So please keep it aside.
Sure. So I'll keep that aside for you. So, do you want me to show you what you've liked?
Yes, also the pricing for this.
So this one, the pant, this one is Malkha as well, the pant that what we've done. And let me just show you the pant quickly. So it's nice elasticated at the back.
Very nice.
And then fixed belts and with pockets. All our pants come with pockets because I think that's a must,
Must.
for everybody
Everybody.
to have. Yeah. So the pants go for about 1600 odd. And these kurtas sit anything between 2200 and 2500.
Lovely, perfect,
They're all
perfect.
completely handcrafted and naturally dyed.
I just loved them. I loved each one of your pieces. I wanted to buy more, but I think I'll you know, first select few and probably come back for another experience. So yeah,
Right, sounds good. So you want me to keep that one aside for you, right?
Yeah,
This,
yeah.
blue one.
yes.
Yeah, and then let me just run through the ones you've liked, just to cross check again. So that one you've selected is in Jamkhani.
Yes. I loved it. Yes.
This comes summer, you can wear it as a dress.
Dress
so it's
also.
gonna be a good part. Yeah, and now, so since everybody's home, I think something like that is a must.
Must. Yes. I would like to keep this as well.
So our loungewears are all like, even if you come back later, these range in between 900 and 1200 odd.
It's very
So
affordable
they're very
range.
easy pricing to even just be in it at home. And that's your comfort.
Oh, this is a show stealer. I just loved it. I've got to have it. So yeah, I think yes. I think I'm.
So what we'll do is, I'm going to pack all this up, send it across to you. And if you have any issues with it, any fitting issues, or if you find anything that you don't like, just let us know, and we'll take it back.
Oh.
You can exchange it for anything else.
Oh, lovely. That's such
You don't
a
have to worry.
good thing that you as a brand are offering us such a flexibility. And also let me tell you, this is the first time I've done this video call assisted shopping, and usually I'm not a person to go for online shopping because it doesn't give you that kind of an experience. But this one, I actually could see it from my own eyes and I felt as if I'm feeling the fabric. So this is actually a very, very good option that you've kept, and I think brands should think about such things, because this makes this entire experience very, very pleasant. I really enjoyed this virtual shopping thing. Keep it going, please. And yeah, I'm looking forward for all these goodies, and I can't wait to have these, style them, and I'll share the pictures with you.
Thank you. I'm going to send this as soon as possible. I cannot wait to see you with them.
Thank you so much, Sheetal. I really loved this with you. I mean, I loved having this conversation about these beautiful clothes and fabrics and the knowledge that you gave me behind this. And the work that you are doing with the artisans, it's really praiseworthy. And as you know that this wave for vocal for local has hit India now massively. I hope each one of us will, shop consciously now. So I think beginning now, this is going to be my sustainable journey as well. And at least I have one brand that can be my favorite, and I can keep coming back to you. So
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you, Pashmina. And I think that is the way ahead. Conscious living is the way ahead now. And thanks for supporting us.
thank you so much. It was a good experience. I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care.